2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat SRT8. Look at that badge. I love that badge. Factory converters. There. 3-inch pipe. 3-inch X pipe. Then we did a mid muffler delete. So 3-inch in their place. There and there. Then it's still got the valves in it. There and there. Still got the rear resonators. Factory. There and there. And factory tips. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the mids we cut off right there. So I'm predicting about 120 on sound decibels. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and 2022 SRT Dodge Charger. Beautiful green Hellcat, as you guys can see there and there. Beautiful car. Look at this thing. Wide body, just sexy car all the way around. What we got done on this beast. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X. Then we did a mid delete. And then we installed these tips. There'll be a link in the description for them. I'll show them to you guys in a second. There's the part number on it, and that's the name of it. Then we left the rears on it, there and there. But we updated the tips, made them look clean, nice, as you guys can see. Black chrome, really beautiful, clean tips. Give it a nice shine compared to the old tips that were on it. That's the old tips that were on it. And that's the mids that were on it that we took off right there. All right? So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the area, hit us up. 2017 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Beautiful white color. Look at that. Sexy little car. Anyways, it's got factory converters right there and right there. Then it's got factory X pipe there. Factory mid mufflers. We did something different on this one. Factory valves there and there. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there. And put some massive 5-inch roll tips there and there. As you guys can see, came out absolutely magnificent. There's the 2 rear mufflers that we just cut off right there with the stock tips. Ugly. Much better. Looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, and it gives it a lot deeper tone. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff you guys do. Much better. Yes, sir. Oh, God. Again? Sound decibels? 121, bro. Go ahead and back it out. And it's a wide body, man. That's sexy as hell. This is his. Again? Oh, man. That's his Instagram, guys, if you want to follow his build. Again? Let you guys hear it on the inside. Amazing what those little things do. It's only got 5,000 miles on it, guys. Barely anything. That's so perfect. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 150. This sounds so good. Beautiful. Go ahead and back it out. Perfect. This thing is green. I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. And it's got the red. Whoa. Here's sound decibels. Again. 113. 114. Probably 115. That sounds nice. I love it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Those tip spit is so perfectly done. All right, go ahead and back it up. Got the step-on guy making all the noise. See him right there? Let you guys hear on the other side. Hellcat SRT 2022 wide body, just beautiful. So much power. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Be smooth. There's that distinctive sound again. Nice. All right. I'm back. Let's bring it over there. Nice. Hellcat Charger. Love it. Be smooth.